I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about the way they're looking at us, 'cause I know they wish they had it and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype, I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring, I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up. Young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, 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 so I'll go anywhere. I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average.
Hey guys, so right now we're doing a little countdown. We are at 999 subscribers. We just need one more to 1,000. It's been going by pretty quick, so keep refreshing it. Hopefully one of you guys will be watching and subscribe. So guys, thank you so much for going through us with this experience. You know, starting was really different. We didn't know what we wanted to do. Initially, I was doing cleaning videos, so when you see me saying, hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's because I started doing cleaning videos and I was ripping the house apart because we just bought a house. So that's why you see the name Motivated Mimi, because that's where it came from. And then I did a prank on him, and then we did a prank on our sister-in-law, and we just started getting views after views after views after views, like, subscribes, comments on it. So we're like, okay, well, it seems like people want pranks, so we ended up just continuing to do pranks. 1,000! 1,000! Look! 1,000! Look! Thank you guys so much for putting us on this journey, coming along with us. You know, we're on our way to 1 million, hopefully. We're gonna continue. Guys, like I said, thank you so much for supporting me and now our channel. So just thanks, guys. We made it to 1,000. It was recorded with you guys, which is, you know, really important for me, at least, because like I said, I started this channel with 1 subscriber, which was his dad, and then it just continued. So like I said, guys, thanks so much for this opportunity, and you'll see way more to come. You have anything to say?
Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you for watching our videos each time we put it out. Guys, thank you for your support from day one. Thank you for following us. Thank you for liking every video, watching them. We really appreciate you. We got big things coming for you guys.
This video for the first time, welcome to our channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.